This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data analysis in marketing. First, understand that data analysis empowers you to make smarter decisions, moving beyond guesswork. It helps you pinpoint exactly what your customers want, when they want it, and how they prefer to receive your messages. This leads to more effective campaigns, better resource allocation, and ultimately, a stronger return on investment for your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. To begin your data analysis journey, you'll need to gather information from various sources. Your website analytics, for instance, can reveal how users interact with your content, showing average session durations and popular pages. Social media platforms offer insights into engagement rates and audience demographics. Customer relationship management systems provide valuable purchase histories, while direct surveys give you qualitative feedback. Combining these gives a comprehensive view. Once you have your data, the next step is to analyze it effectively. Look for trends and patterns in customer behavior, such as peak shopping times or preferred product categories. Segment your audience into distinct groups, perhaps by age or interest, to tailor your messaging. Measure the performance of your campaigns against key metrics like conversion rates or cost per acquisition. Don't forget to use a /B testing to compare different approaches and see what truly resonates. With your analysis complete, it's time to put those insights into action and continuously optimize. Personalize your content and offers for specific customer segments, perhaps offering a 20% discount to loyal customers. Adjust your ad spend, allocating more budget to channels that consistently deliver a higher return. Refine customer journeys by addressing identified pain points. Remember, data analysis is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your results and adapt your strategies for sustained growth and improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.